Welcome to Stayf Doodles. These are the tips and tricks of Procreate. In this video I'm going to explain how you can import an ink drawing you've drawn on paper and then color underneath it. There are two options. I've made this illustration and it has a white background, so I'm going to import this because now I am in the Photos app. And what you can do is, when you have exported it to your iPad, just open Procreate and now have an A4 paper. Press on the wrench icon and then insert a photo. And then you go to the Photos library and select the illustration. So when you press on the layers, you see the layer with the illustration with the white background. The first option is to go to the layer you've imported your artwork in. Press on the layer and then press on the N, and there you see the blend modes of Procreate. Scroll up and select multiply. And now everything that's white is transparent. So then you can add a new layer and start coloring underneath. But if you also want to color the line art, then that approach with the multiply doesn't work, because your inks aren't separated from the white. What you can do is use 3 fingers, swipe down and then copy the layer, make a new layer and use drop color to drop in pure black. Then when you tap on the layer, select mask and then paste the line art. And when you press again on the mask layer, select invert. And now when you turn off the copy of your layer, you can see that it's now transparent. And then you can start coloring underneath. But if you want to color the line art, you have to merge these two layers by pinching them together. And now you can color the line art. The first thing you need to do is tap on the layer and select alpha lock. Or what you can do is, if you swipe with 2 fingers from left to right, then you see that it has an alpha lock on it. Especially with an illustration which has a lot of line art, this is the best method, to separate your inks from a white background. I'm now also on Substack, and this tutorial I will also put in writing and with screenshots so that you can follow along. And I will do more tips and tricks on my Substack. And my Substack is stayfdrawls.substack.com, but I'll leave a link below this video. Subscribe to Substack and there you get the latest updates for my brushes or the discounts I have on my brushes, and tips and tricks like this for Procreate, Procreate Dreams or Toon Squid.